Hi, this is Otto Koster from Netpicker. In this video I want to show you what you can do with Netpicker as a network engineer. Netpicker is our new network testing platform. Because it is based on Python, it gives you the flexibility to write tests for a wide variety of use cases. Netpicker comes out of the box with rules for sys hardening and CVEs for security vulnerabilities. But you can go much further. You can write your own tests to check if your network is compliant with industry regulations, create design validations, or use Netpicker in your change management process for pre- and post-change validation. As a NetDev engineer, you can use the code editor to write and debug tests in real time against your network devices. Netpicker provides device configurations, show command output, and API access, so you have all the tools needed for the most complex use cases. If you're less experienced with Python, Netpicker gives you a powerful user interface in which you can easily create your first tests without writing any code. And if you want to have more flexibility later on, we've got you covered. All your data, from device configurations to your Python code, is available in a Git repository with version control. It is all stored locally and will never leave your system. Netpicker supports all the major vendors such as Cisco, Juniper, Aruba, Arista, and many more. We use the NetMiko library to connect to your devices, and we will be adding support for more vendors in the future. So we start with the device list. The device list contains your network devices, and you can easily add more using the add device functionality or import from Netbox using an API key or slurp it. Also, you can use the CSV import to import multiple devices at once. Once you've got the devices set up, Netpicker will enable you to make config backups. In this environment, I've got two devices, a Cisco device and a Juniper device, and you can see here that we store the configuration and any show command outputs that's used in the test. For Juniper, we also store the configuration, including the display set output. When you have the backup set up, you can go to the policy sections and you'll find there policies for sys and CVEs. Netpicker contains sys checks out of the box, which will test your device configurations according to the sys hardening rules by Cisco. Here's an example of one test. Netpicker contains two types of tests. One is a Python test, which you just saw, and there we also provide a simple test that you can use for simple text comparison. The results section of Netpicker contains the test results per device or per policy. You can view them here and export them to CSV. We also provide a dashboard in which you can see at a glance how your network is doing. Of course, we also provide admin functionality to add or remove users and to input your license. Netpicker comes out of the box with unlimited backups for unlimited devices and running tests for 10 devices. Happy testing!